Ladies and gentlemen, here we are at Stade Carrefour et Touquebe, Lycée Touquebe, sorry. And here we are, the match is moving on smoothly with a goal 2-2. 2 beating the students, beating and P2 beating the teachers. And we can find that the match is a hard match. We can find out that the players are very tired, but yet they are determined on winning this match for either each of the sides, the students or the teachers. Ladies and gentlemen, we can find the ball. We can find it going towards the side of the students. We can find them. We can find the teachers going smartly. We can find them about to shoot, and we can find a shot. Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, we missed the goal. A throw, ladies and gentlemen.
Make sure you take out the spectators.
Ladies and gentlemen, here we are. Here we have some spectators who are very cool spectators, never clapping but only observing. We can find Mr. Teke, the timekeeper, who has made the players to play about 3 hours in the name of 45 minutes. At the other hand, we can find Mr. Pale, who is jogging to re-enter the field. We can find Mr. Kimi, who is trying to play the role of a coach. Ladies and gentlemen, right to the view. The match is a hard one. We can find a shot from the students, Desmond. We can find the ball going over the side of the students. And the ball is caught by the goalkeeper. A shot, ladies and gentlemen. The match is really going on firmly. This is just to remind us, ladies and gentlemen, that this match is coming in response to a match last year between the students and the teachers. We can find the ball, go, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, the ball was missed, ladies and gentlemen, for the teachers. Ladies and gentlemen, the match is right here. It's outside. It's very hot, but yet very determined. We are going to some few minutes. If after this prolongation period, we have no winner, we have nobody, then ladies and gentlemen, we have no option than to go to penalty shots. Because at the end of this match, we must have a winner. We continue about the field. Players find a place smoothly. We see the ball going in. Consider tap from the ball. The students playing with with no shirts. While the teachers with the shirts. The ball going up. Ladies and gentlemen, the weather out there is really pretty good. And the ball is going in. It's a counter attack, ladies and gentlemen. A ball is going inside. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh, ladies and gentlemen. A penalty, ladies and gentlemen. It is a penalty. Ladies and gentlemen, a penalty. There is nothing to argue about the matter. A penalty, ladies and gentlemen, against the students. Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen. This might be the period when we might have a winner for this match. A penalty. Ladies and gentlemen, unfortunately, we do not have our cameraman at the background to give us a repeat of this incident. Ladies and gentlemen, no matter the arguments, it is a penalty. But ladies and gentlemen, at this point of time, we might know who might be the winner of this match. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, the atmosphere out here is very hot. We can find a lot of tension. 2 minutes to the end of prolongation time. 2 for students, 2 for teachers. It is a pretty environment out here. The weather is getting pretty as the rains drop down the environment. But yet the players are determined. We have the penalty shots. We can find a referee doing everything possible to make sure that justice is ensured. As far as this penalty is ensured, ladies and gentlemen, it's a good atmosphere out here. Oh la 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 la. Ladies and gentlemen, we can find the players and argue. We can find Desmond. We can find the players are so devastated. It is not easy accepting such a defeat towards the end of a match. But it is evident that there must be a winner at the end of this match. Ladies and gentlemen, we are observing the atmosphere out here. We are observing the atmosphere out here. Ladies and gentlemen, the rains outside here at this point of time is actually a clear indication that the teachers must beat down the students at this point of time in the match. It is a penalty shot which must be done against the students. Ladies and gentlemen, no matter the weather, the penalty will still hold. The teachers are ready to demonstrate that they are the boss in class as well as they are the boss on the football pitch. Ladies and gentlemen, we stay back and observing the atmosphere out here. This is Comedian The Prophet reporting live and direct from Stade Touquebe, Lycée Touquebe de Yaoundé. We can find the players on Ague. It is not an easy aspect, but ladies and gentlemen, the penalty must take place. Ladies and gentlemen, the atmosphere is getting very hot outside here. The penalty is about to be shot. We can find out the environment is very tense. The rains, like we said, ladies and gentlemen, is a clear indication that the teachers must beat the students 3 against 2 in this match, ladies and gentlemen. We continue observing. Ladies and gentlemen, it is right here. Ladies and gentlemen, we have less than 2 minutes to actual prolongation time. Shall the teachers maintain the scores, or the teachers shall give up to a draw against the students? We can find Mr. Sanjo going down. We can find another counter-attack. Unfortunately, ladies and gentlemen, the field is rather slippery and the players do not have a lot of stability. Ladies and gentlemen, you can find the players. The match almost going to its end. Everything flowing well as expected. Shall the teachers maintain the scores? The match began with all the teachers on pitch. The Prophet, Mr. Moussi, Mr. Pale, Mr. Kimmy Clinton, Mr. Samuel Bobgar, who all did their best. And the 3 goal missed by Mr. Moussi. Ladies and gentlemen, we see this counter-attack. The teachers trying their best to put in the 4 goals. And the ball is taken out. Ladies and gentlemen, it's not over. And we find the teachers going in again. We find the teachers. Another opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, the goal was missed. Ladies and gentlemen, this was another opportunity for the teachers to challenge and rape the students with 5 against 2. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, 4 against 2. We find out that even the weather of Yaoundé this day has favored the teachers. We can find out the student supporters are rather more quiet, as expected, only observing the events. We find the teachers, the ball going on, ladies and gentlemen, he goes over the pitch. A miss goal. A miss goal, ladies and gentlemen. We can find the spectators, student spectators hiding under the rain, under that mango tree you're finding up there, ladies and gentlemen. And they are rather quiet. The match continues. Heading. The rains do not hinder the match. It is a 3 against 2 at this point. The match continues. Shall the teachers maintain? It goes over! Ladies and gentlemen, it is a goal! Ladies and gentlemen, this time around the teachers have made it, repping the students. 4 goals against 2.
The coach is here.
With the coach, with the students and the teachers, we can see, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the point of repping. The students have been repped, as we can describe. The winds are coming back. The sun's the same. Ladies and gentlemen, remember when my prophecy, the prophet, the way that favors the teachers in this match. It's the hot experience out here, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, ladies and gentlemen. The teachers are making it big. We can find the teachers on leads. The teachers still remain with ball possession. Ball in the air. You can find out. They're going again for another counter attack. He passes the ball behind. Gives a shot. He misses the shot. And he misses. The ball stays back with the teachers. The ball stays back with the teachers. Coming strongly. The students take over the ball. But they're trying to get the ball. But they're not able to get the ball. Ladies and gentlemen, the teachers have the ball back. Quel merveilleux! Mesdames et messieurs, on est ici en direct à Yaoundé, stade lycée Touquébé, avec les étudiants de Success Evening School qui jouent un match contre les enseignants. Le ballon qui passe. À ce moment, le score se reste 4-2. Les enseignants mènent ce match. Ça reste presque petit de temps pour le match, pour s'achever. Est-ce que les enseignants vont encore mettre un autre but dans ce match? Mesdames et messieurs, les étudiants sont vraiment, ils ne sont pas les supporters. Les étudiants de Form 5 et Upper Seat sont vraiment silencieux. Les enseignants de cette année, ils vont montrer qu'il y a du match ici. Avec les étudiants, il fait beau temps d'ailleurs ici. Et la pluie tombe. Le ballon en haut. Et ça part. Regardez. Et le gardien. Et puis, mesdames et messieurs, le match a fini en ce moment. 4-2. 4-2. Les enseignants mènent. Les enseignants 4 buts. Et les étudiants 2 buts. Vraiment, mesdames et messieurs, ce match a été un match fort. Un match de 45 minutes temps réglementaire. 45 minutes temps réglementaire encore. Et vraiment, le temps de prolongation. Et après ça, mesdames et messieurs, on voit l'un des étudiants. Il est encore en contact parce qu'il a monté sa force pour défendre. On va l'un des enseignants. Ils sont aussi vraiment contents. Les joueurs sont contents pour... Oh, mesdames et messieurs. Ils sont là, ils sont là, ils sont là. Ils ont donné 4 buts à 2 à les étudiants. Et cette soirée, ça serait une soirée merveilleuse. Mesdames et messieurs. Ladies and gentlemen, we have been reporting out here live and direct from Stade Lycée Yetukebe. It has been a friendly encounter between the students of Success and the teachers of Success for the 2018-2019 academic year. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been a wonderful experience out here. The match has been tough. 90 minutes regular time, 10 minutes prolongation time. Yet the teachers tried their best to show their faces to the students. And at this point of time, the match is ended. 4 goals for the teachers, 3 goals for the students, 2 goals for the students. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been a wonderful experience. Thank you very much, and see you for the rendezvous of next year, 2019-2020. God willing. This has been comedian Mr. Tio the Prophet reporting live and direct from Yaoundé, Stade Lycée Yetukebe. Thank you.